Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Nomadic Sage. In this video we are looking at this. This is the Book My Forex multi-currency forex card. I got it from Make My Trip, and basically this is a reloadable card where you can just load in some forex currency when you are traveling outside, and the benefit of this card is that you don't need to carry the physical currency. So the banknotes, you don't need to carry that. But I would suggest that if you are traveling abroad, you should carry some physical money like the banknotes, and then you can carry one forex card like this. So I got this from Make My Trip, and we are going to unbox it now. So firstly, I have actually already opened it, but I'm just going to redo it just for you guys. So this one I just booked yesterday, and unfortunately where I live it was not deliverable, so I had to travel a little bit outside to the nearest office and get this card. So this is the only package that you get inside the envelope, nothing else. And here it says welcome to the Book My Forex family. And if we unfold this, here we have all of the steps to download and activate the card on the app. And other than that, if we unfold this, we have the welcome note as well as steps on how to reload and unload on the card through the Forex app. So like if I turn this over, this I believe would be the pin for the card, and right below that this is our forex card. So this is a reloadable forex card, and it is not personalized, so it will not have your name on it. So this is the card, and you can see this is a chip card as well as a swipe strip is also here. So this is what you get when you apply and get the Book My Forex multi-currency card. Now you have two options to get this card. The first one is you can get it through Make My Trip, and on Make My Trip you can just head to Forex card and currency section, and here you can easily put in the amount and pay for it, and you can either pay through UPI or net banking, and then this would be delivered if your PIN code is deliverable. So if you put in your PIN code here, it will show you if this card is deliverable or not. At my location it was not, so I had to travel a little further and get it from the office. Then you also have a dashboard here, so you can check the status of your card on Make My Trip itself. However, you can also go to Book My Forex website, and here you can also order this from this website, and it would be delivered if you are in the deliverable pin code. And from this website you can actually go ahead and log in and manage your card from there as well. You can load more money, you can unload the money, or you can do all of those other management activities there as well. Now there is also an app, and on that app you can easily unload or reload your card from that app as well. Now when you book your card, you will need to upload your travel tickets, your passport and your PAN card. If you have actually make your flight booking through Make My Trip, you can just select that from the option, and it can easily be picked up from there. After you have received your card, the delivery executive will take your picture, and he will ask for an ID. After that, you should be able to get that card in your possession. So after the delivery is done, you would need to activate or acknowledge the delivery. You will receive an email and an SMS, and then from here you can just click on acknowledge delivery. It will ask for the last four digits of your card and some details, You do that, and after that, it is acknowledged. And after that, it will take some time. They say that it will happen by the evening, but you should receive another email acknowledging the activation. Now, after that, this email will confirm that your card has been activated, and basically now you can use your card as you feel like it. After that, you should receive your email that the amount that you paid at the time of the booking that has been credited into your account. So when you make a booking, the first time booking of this card, they will charge 300 rupees something and then the GST on that forex amount. So the GST amount would be, I think, 0.18 or something like that. And after that, that money would be reloaded as soon as the card is activated. And you can go ahead, log into the portal or the app, and then you can check if you have credited that amount in your card or not. So other than that, like I can say that my currency has been loaded into the card, and when I'll travel abroad, I can use that card for small payments. I'm carrying both the banknotes as well as this forex card on my next trip. So now that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos in the future. And I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.